Welcome to Dorman Products Hyundai Key Fob installation video. This installation is simple, no car knowledge is needed. Suggested time of installation is 5 minutes. Note, once plugging in the programmer, you will have 2 minutes to program all new and existing remotes to your vehicle. After 2 minutes, your session will time out and your vehicle will no longer be in programming mode. Programmer will work for no more than 3 sessions. Start by inserting the programmer into your vehicle's OBD port. This port can be found either under the dashboard on the driver's side or behind a panel to the left of the steering wheel labeled OBD. Once the programmer is inserted into the OBD port, there will be a chime and a green light on the programmer indicating that programming mode is active. Press and hold the lock button on the remote until the hazard lights flash and the door lock cycle. Repeat this step for all additional remotes. When all remotes have been programmed, remove the programmer and test each remote. If programming was unsuccessful, repeat the process from the beginning.